Okay, so we did order of words last week. You can go review that one. And down here, we're going to go to passive voice. So I'm sure there's some mistakes here. Let's check this out. This grammatical formula makes us make the funniest mistakes. I have corrected them with the simplest way. Here are some examples. I was made to graduate. Okay, so I have no idea what that means. Like, it sounds like somebody forced you, like this one. I was made to graduate, or 我天生就是为了毕业. It's like I was made to graduate. Sometimes we say that, like I was made for a person, you know, to love you or something like that. All right, so I graduated and then I have graduated. So I think also I was graduated. Sometimes they say that. Let's go take a look. I was studied. 可能他们在想的是我曾经是在学习 So I was studied. 这个是被动的哦。你别学了吗？你别研究了吗？ So can't do that. This one's actually pretty common, so I'm going to add some stars to that. Because it is very simple and it is pretty common. So there's a lot of variations on that. So I graduated, I have graduated. I'm going to put something in here because I think actually I was graduated from. You can add from, you don't have to. University. Now, you can add was. I know what you're going to say. It's like, well, yeah, but didn't you? All right. This is kind of British English, okay? Americans hardly ever say that. I was graduated. So I graduated or I have graduated from university. Maybe I'll just say British. All right. This one's just wrong. Let's go down here. It sounds like people were studying you, so you don't want to be studied. No, it's really kind of scary, actually. I think this problem, let's see how much time. We have a lot of passive, actually. So I'm going to spend a little bit more time on this one. I think a lot of people just get confused because there's so many, you know, was, have, had been. It makes it really confusing if there's so many verbs. So I think that what happens is they add too many. Like, you know, I was studied. Maybe they could say I was graduated, but you'd have to know specifically that was British English. I had been studied in university, so that's wrong. That's, again, it's a similar mistake over here. This is just some examples. So just take this out. Boom, gone. I studied in university. You're done. You could say I had studied in university. That's okay. I have been studying in university. 现在完成时 I have been studying. 现在进行 Sure, I think so. But I have been studying, so 完成进行在一起 I don't know. I'm no good at grammar. I'm only good at finding mistakes. I have been studying university. That's okay. 这是对的 This is wrong. I had studied in university. That's okay. I studied in university. That's okay too. So only the first one's wrong. So this is basically just talking about the I have studied in university thing. I suggest that you write down I have been studying. That's 现在 So I don't know if you're going to use that. I had studied or I studied. And then I graduated. or I have graduated. So just write this down. And then we'll go to this part next. So this is passive voice or passive tense, part 1. See you next week.